Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I decided this week that I wanted to vlog for a couple days. This week I'm kind of doing a few exciting things that I wanted to document, and I wanted to start the vlog today. It's Sunday, September 13th. Right now I'm just getting ready to go out and hang out with one of my friends. And we just decided that we wanted to go visit the restaurant that BTS ate at while they were in Toronto for their show in Hamilton in 2018. So I just found it on Blog TL or Blog Toronto. If you're in the Toronto or GTA area, they ate at a restaurant in Thornhill and it's called Sang Braised Chicken House. I'm totally butchering that pronunciation. That is the address for it if you're curious, and I just really wanted to try it out. The food looks really good. We might as well go try it since they ate there, you know? Just kind of random, but we had nothing better to do, and there's not really a lot of things to do right now because of COVID, so all we really do is go eat and go to the mall, but I don't really want to go to the mall, so we're just gonna go try this restaurant out. And I'll film while we're there, show you guys what we get, and hopefully it's good. I don't know. I'm excited. So this is my outfit of the day. My hoodie's from H&M. My Sad Boys fanny pack is from a website called Anime Bay. I'll link it down below. My BTS pin I got as a birthday gift. My biker shorts are from H&M, and my Nike socks are from DSW, and I'm going to be wearing Air Force Ones with this outfit. So I just got to the mall parking lot where I'm meeting my friend, and I'm just sitting in my car until she gets here. It's really hot, like a lot hotter than I expected. I don't know why I decided to wear a hoodie, but I'll just suffer for a little bit. And then we're just gonna take one car to the restaurant, so we're not driving two cars to like every single place, just in case there's other places that we want to go to, you know, got a carpool. So I'm literally so stuffed. Oof. I need to go on a walk. So I'm just about to head out the door to go drive to my cousin's place. We're going to take the train together to go down to Toronto. I'm kind of in a rush because I woke up a little bit late and got ready kind of slowly. But we're gonna go to this restaurant called Miss Korea, and then there is a K-pop shop that I want to visit and maybe see if I can pick up a couple albums. So I'll take you guys along with me. I'm really excited. Really quickly, this is my outfit today. It's kind of chilly out, so I just wanted to be warm. I'm wearing my H&M men's black hoodie. My purse is from Kate Spade. My leather-ish leggings are from Urban Planet, and my shoes are the Fila Oak Mount Trail something. I got them off of Kokodive, so yeah. Yeah, so we're going to Miss Korea right now. It's just this Korean restaurant and bar. It's on, what is this, Yonge Street? And then we're gonna go to a K-pop store. So we are going to Sarah and Tom's, which is the K-pop store, but I don't know how far down that is. It said it was like a minute walk on Google, but we shall see. Oh, it's literally right here. So we stopped at this bubble tea shop and I got this like bunny mango tea thing, but the bunny is like dead now. It's that like white thing in the middle of my drink. And then we went to the K-pop shop and I got 3 albums, which I'll show you later, but I got 3 versions of Map of the Soul and Persona. So I got 3 versions of Persona, so I only had version 3. So I got 1, 2, and 4. I love spending my money. So I just got home and it's 8:35 right now. I just wanted to end the vlog quickly. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below if you guys did. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Also, look out for my album haul / unboxing with the albums that I bought today at Sarah and Tom. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.